Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing how to replace vents in your 2010 Subaru Outback. Mine are broken. It's very common break for these. So I'm going to start off with this vent right here. I have a flathead screwdriver that I kind of grounded to a point a little bit and bent. And I also have a couple skin spoons to get underneath. These are just body removal spoons and mostly used for aircraft, but we'll see if they work in this application. This is just held on with a bunch of body clips. I don't want to tear it up. There we go, and it's out. As you can tell, it appears that my clips right here are broken for this vent. It looks like the vent still functions as it should, and it looks fine, but it looks like the clips here are broke. So I'll just go get some super glue. It should just snap in. I'll be right back with some super glue. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys see that? Yeah, so I'm going to start off by just sliding this in. Wait. Brain fart. It goes in like this. Like here. This is different. I got these parts at the junkyard, so I can't provide a link to where I was able to source these parts because I just went to my local junkyard. And this one had already been removed for me, and I just had to remove this one. But we'll get to that one. So as you can tell, right now it'll still move back and forth. So all I'm going to do is I got some 495 Loctite with some accelerator. And I'm just gonna put a little dab of super glue on it. Oh man. Alright, sorry I had to go. So what I'm gonna do is, like I stated before, the clips right in here are broken. Here, yeah, just one clip holding on that side, that's what broke. So this one clip here is broken. I've had a legacy, a 12 legacy with this exact same problem. How I fix it is with a little super glue. Make sure you put the cap back on or super glue so you don't get that all over your car. Take some accelerator and I don't have a spray bottle for this, so apply some accelerator. There. Now we'll come back a little bit more super glue. This accelerator evaporates extremely quickly. That should hold it. It doesn't smell good though. There we go. And that is how you fix that. So now you can push, adjust, and it doesn't go anywhere. Held in with super glue. You can't see anything on the front side either. So turned out good. Turned out great. So we'll return the camera and put it back in. Alright, camera moved. This is just gonna slide back in. Got some insulation falling down that a little push can't handle. So this just slides back in to the spot. Dog hair. And back in like nothing ever happened. Alright. So this vent right here, broken. Doesn't do it. Only moves this middle one. In order to remove that, you have to remove this side panel. And I believe it's held on with 2 screws right here. Trying to not get in your guys' way. Alright, hold on. Grab the new one for reference. Yeah, 2. Oh, I didn't have to remove that screw. I only had to remove that top screw. Only has a screw here. It looks like it clips in underneath this, and this just pops off, like so. Now, if I remember correctly, I fought this for a long time at the junkyard. So, see how well I can get it here. Remove these couple screws. At the junkyard, I just kind of ripped it out because I didn't care if I broke this piece. But it goes back behind this piece right here, which is also holding up the glove box. So I removed the glove box screws. Actually, let's just get the glove box out of the way real quick. Get the glove box out of the way by popping it there. Squeezing the sides. And it should just pop out. There we go. Alright, now the glove box is out of the way. Just a little more room. Remove this screw here. Pop this panel down a little bit, and that's gonna just enough to where we can get this out. It should just be snapped in right here. So I got my finger underneath, and it just pops right on out. Now, if you see, that doesn't do anything that it should. Compare that to the new one, new old one, I guess you could say, and it works just fine. Like I said, got this at the junkyard, so I don't have any parts numbers or anything for you guys. I just went to my local junkyard and picked this unit up. Same thing, putting it back in. It'll just slide back into the vent back there. Like that. This will pop back up. Looks like there's a couple clips here that need to slide in. Alright, that's in. So now we're just gonna start putting the screws back in. All your black screws go here, 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 and here. So, let's go ahead and get those back in. Sorry, there's 3 along the top line, not 2. This is 2. 3. 5. And there are 2 silver ones. Go here and here. fake wood trim piece. It just should just snap on. Very careful not to break that. There's a lip that has to go underneath here, so make sure you get that lip over top the that glove box back on. I can't see a thing. Snap that back on, close the glove box, and don't forget your side panel that just snaps back on. Alright, so in conclusion, that is how you replace your passenger side vents on your 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback / Legacy. So pop the cover off, and this is pretty easy too. So hopefully that helps somebody out.